In today's video, we're diving into a detailed review of the all-new Genesis G100, a flagship luxury sedan that's turning heads with its bold design, advanced features, and high-end performance. Genesis has taken a big step forward with the G100, aiming to redefine what a luxury car can offer at a competitive price point. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car stand out. Starting with the exterior, the Genesis G100 commands attention with a sleek, aerodynamic design. Its long, sculpted body gives off a powerful presence, while the massive crest grille and split dual LED headlamps deliver a modern yet aggressive front look. The design lines flow elegantly along the sides, connecting to a wide, confident rear, with slim taillights and an integrated light bar. Optional 21-inch alloy wheels enhance its road presence, and available exterior colors, including a new deep sapphire blue and glacier silver, give buyers a chance to personalize with flair. Moving inside, the interior of the Genesis G100 is where luxury truly takes over. The cabin is crafted with ultra-premium materials such as Napa leather, real wood accents, and brushed aluminum trim. The 27-inch widescreen display stretches across the dashboard, seamlessly blending the digital instrument cluster with the infotainment system. Comfort is paramount here, with heated and ventilated seats both front and rear, a massage function for the driver, and a 64-color ambient lighting system that creates a calm and luxurious environment. Rear passengers are treated like first-class travelers with reclining seats, independent climate controls, and entertainment screens mounted behind the front seats. Under the hood, the G100 offers two engine options: a turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 that delivers 380 horsepower, and an optional hybrid version that pairs a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors for a combined 400 horsepower. Both setups are mated to a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission and available with either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The G100 accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just over 5 seconds, offering an impressive balance of speed and sophistication. Ride quality is exceptional thanks to the electronically controlled suspension, which adjusts to road conditions in real time, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even at high speeds. Genesis has also loaded the G100 with cutting-edge technology and safety features. The car includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot view monitor, and highway driving assist. There's also an AI-based voice assistant, remote smart parking, and over-the-air software, updates that keep the system fresh without visiting a dealership. When it comes to pricing, the Genesis G100 starts at around $85,000 for the base trim, while fully loaded versions can reach up to $110,000. For what it offers in luxury, performance, and technology, this pricing positions it competitively against European rivals like the BMW 7 Series and Mercedes-Benz S-Class, often undercutting them by thousands of dollars. To sum it up, the Genesis G100 is a game-changer in the full-size luxury sedan category. It delivers high-end style and ultra-comfortable interior, powerful performance, and cutting-edge features, all at a price that's hard to ignore. Whether you're looking for a driver-focused experience or first-class comfort, the G100 is definitely worth a look. Let us know in the comments what you think of this new luxury contender.